Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm at G2G Animal Garden located inside the MAEPS Serdang in Selangor. And here today we are going to explore the animals, and here we can get the chance to pet and feed the animals.
And on our way back, we are going to drop by at this Cafe Nenas Montel inside MAEP to savor this delicious MD2 pineapple ice cream.
So let's go inside. By the way guys, if you want to come here, the fee is 25 ringgit for adult, and for children is 20 ringgit, and for kids with heights below 90 cm, the entrance is free. So over here there are plenty of animals, birds, deer, rabbit, Guinea Pig, fox, parrot. There are plenty here to explore. So let's go and check it out.
Upon entrance, we can find the ticketing counter on our left, and inside it, we can also find a souvenir shop selling merchandise like plushies, t-shirts, fish magnet and keychains. But for now, let's head inside first.
Hello. 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 Assalamualaikum. Hello. Hello. Ting ting tang ting. Ting ting ting. Dia tak nak bunyi pun. Didi, dia ni parrot apa ni?
Kita panggil blue parrot.
Blue parrot Amazon. Cantik, bulu dia cantik.
Dia punya.
Ni dia boleh cakap ke? Yang ni tak boleh lah. Boleh juga.
Kita sama je. Kita punya sama je sana. Cuma dia ekonomik lah. Ada masa dia nak cakap, ada masa dia nak cakap.
Ni Didi tengah nak makan apa ni Didi? Didi tengah makan. Didi tengah makan apa ni? Oi, dia nak makan apa pula? Merah dengan merah, geng merah. Over here you can take a chance to feed the birds here. You can buy the animal food for $1 for 1 cup. And the birds over here is very friendly. Hello.
Tetra ni bukan semua orang dia nak. Dia dengan ranger lelaki dia. Burung ni pun dia tahu. Dia kenal. Mana yang ranger perempuan, mana yang lelaki. Kalau akak perasan yang kat belakang tu pun, dia suka buat bunyi kucing. Itu dengan semua benda perempuan ranger dia tak nak. Tak boleh. Nanti dia kat tangan dia tak nak. Yang ni dengan saya dia tak nak.
Boleh ke? Dua besarnya.
Tetra apa sih? Tetra apa sih?
Mana tu?
Pandai.
Weh, sakit-sakit tangan aku.
Sebab dia
Habis dah tangan aku.
ada kucing gelap senyum.
Hello. The bird is looking for food, but I don't have any. Minta satu. Okay, nah. Hasan bagilah burung. Hasan.
Macam tak nak bagi.
Nah,
Dia nak ambil sendiri. Bagi. Bagi Hasan. Okey.
oh pandai Hasan. Alamak.
Pakai topi.
Ah, sakit. Pulang balik. Oh my god guys, I don't know why all of these birds suddenly they are flying and standing on top of me. I think because I'm wearing, there's like diamond, what do you call that? Well, not diamond. Dah, okay dah, turun, semua turun. Di sini rambut. Jom. Okay, did you guys notice anything over there? Ini apa, itik goose angsa. Goose ke itik? I don't know if it's, I think this is goose. And right over there is the skunk. Mana dia? This is the skunk, but it's also sleeping today. I think because the weather is a bit gloomy today, cloudy, so it's a good time to sleep. That is the phoenix fox, but unfortunately all of them is sleeping right now, so we can't see it. But it has a very big ears, long ears, and the phoenix fox originates from the Sahara of the South Africa. Because we came, I think it was around 2 o'clock and it was raining heavily just now, so there are several animals like I saw just now is sleeping. The domestic cat, the fox, the mimosa. I don't know what is mimosa. It's kind of monkey, I think. Species like similar to monkey. They are all sleeping. There's raccoon. The raccoon is also sleeping. Right now at the rabbit garden over here, you can take a chance to hold the rabbit, but make sure you hold it the right way.
Ada comel. Ibu hitam. Nampak? Ambil hati ambil gambar sekali.
There's also I think Guinea Pig over here. Okay, I found a pony at the back of this chicken cage. There's a pony over here. I don't know what she's doing. Hello, pony. Pony buat apa? Tupai. Mana tupai dia? Tupai. Oh, tengok tu dia tergantung. Kan tergantung dia yang panjang. Ekor dia nipis je.
Keluar pun kawan dia.
Mana? Kat dalam lah, mana ada kat luar. Oh tu. Ini ground shrew ke? Macam tupai kok rumah kita banyak je.
Apa dia dalam dia tengah lentik tu.
Mana ada tupai hilang dah. Oh, banyaknya tupai. Bukan je ada seekor, berekor-ekor. Do you guys see the squirrel? At the tree. Guys, I heard this bird was talking just now. It's common hill Myna. Boleh cakap ke? Oi, boleh cakap? Dia cakap lah. Lun cakap apa dia ikut? Cakap. Cakap cepat. Dia panggil nama Fatihah tadi. Serius lah. Over here, you can also take a chance to ride a pony and horse. But unfortunately, when we come here today, the horse and the pony are taking a rest. Maybe slightly later in the day. At the edge of this garden, you can also find the blue peafowl, duck and turkey. But I think compared to the KL bird park over there, there's a lot more. But here, there are plenty of animals that you can find over here. And most of them are in the cage. But there are some animals like the rabbit, deer and sheep that you can pet them if and feed them. So it's a great place to spend the day with the kids and the family to learn and see the animals over here. At my back over there is the Sulcata Tortoise, which originate from the Sahara Desert in the Africa. This tortoise can live up to 100 years old. Baby suka minum air. You jangan tolak ni. Reptile House. Boleh masuk? Mari kita masuk. Wow. Apa ni warna kuning? Cicak, butterfly lizard. Wow, okay. Ni apa panggil cicak, semua kategori cicak. Tortoise, 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 tortoise. This is red iguana from South America. Really big over there. Leopard gecko. California king snake. This is from the West America and North Mexico. Wah, ni apa ni? Apa ni? Ular. Ular apa ni? Semua ular. Semua suka duduk dalam air ular ni. Semua dalam air. Oh, hero ni. Aisyah hero. Cicak. Yang ni boleh terbang ni. Cicak. Tak boleh buka Shan, dia tak bagi buka. Tak bagi kita buka. Sebab dia makan tikus. Semua ular makan tikus. Macam mana pegang ni?
Ni dekat apa tu? Dekat orang kata tanam-tanam jagung. Dia ada tu.
Tak, dia berbisa tak ular ni?
Tak bisa lah.
Tak berbisa.
Tak bisa. Kalau pun tak nak berisiko ambil bisa-bisa ni. Tak perlu orang. Memang je memang boleh dipegang.
Oh, okey. Cantik. Dia punya ni. Hasan, sini. Jom. Angkat gambar maklum. Tak Hasan. Jom, tak bisa abang ni cakap. Letak kat lirik. Tak bisa. Janganlah nanti Hasan takut. Hasan nak pegang. Berani awak ni Hasan. Berani Hasan.
Lagi mau tengok. Apa dia asyik tolong.
Berani Hasan ni. Dia dah kepala ni. Dah tangkap ke? Video. Acang berani. Acang kan duduk kebun. Kebun banyak ular kan? Kebun banyak ular nanti siapa yang nak tangkap Hasan juga. Dah. Ni Hasan. Kenapa tu? Foto. Cicak bukan cicak.
Daripada tak nak masuk pegang semua benda dah Shan
Nak sini.
Tapi memang takut dia nak pegang.
Macam ni.
Kan?
Nak panjat pula perginya. Alhamdulillah. Right now I'm at the ostrich section, and if you guys know, this is the largest bird in the world and it originates from the Africa. And one fun fact, the brain of the ostrich is much smaller than its eye. Patutlah dia boleh lompat keluar tadi. So that's all our tour today inside the G2G Animal Garden inside the MAEPS Serdang. We took around 2.5 hours to explore this garden. It's not that big, it's just a small park, but there are a variety of animals inside here, so we take our chance to feed them and to take photos, and then we took some rest. And today the weather it was raining when we come here, and the best part about here is that when you go to the bird cage, the parrot, you can feed them, and there are plenty of them. I mean, crawling over my body and my scarf today. I don't know why, maybe because of the scarf that I'm wearing has a lot of bedazzle, so they try to eat it. It's a fun experience here today, so I really recommend you to come over if you live nearby, or even during the school holidays you can take your kids and come here, and it's really a fun time to spend with your kids over here.
After a tiring walk, it's time to reward ourselves with some good food. There's a small cafe in front of Nafas Q in MAEPS and it sells MD2 pineapple food products. So we're gonna get some ice cream. Berapa harga aiskrim nenas? Kalau cup RM5 per RM4. Bagi cup 5? Cup 5 eh? RM5 pula, 4. Okay, terima kasih. I've gotten the ice cream and now we're gonna have it inside the car. Siapa pula nak bukakan pintu ni? Chan pula tersepit kat bawah tu. Sedapnya bismillah. Terbaik.
Terima kasih, sedap.
Sedap gila.
Terima kasih. Dia ada apa goreng-goreng belum?
Ada kari pok goreng lah, apa goreng lah. Tapi yang sedap ni dengan air nenas lah kalau nak.
Sedap. Air nenas sedap tu spring air nenas. Orang biasa makan ke?
Kalau Maep tu datang lah makan aiskrim nenas.
Dia jam mana betul?
Sedap gila. Dia punya nenas dia berasa. So, dia ada bits nenas. Sedap gila. Well, that's all for today.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button and share and leave down your comment down below if you have come here before. So I'll see you guys in my next episode. Assalamualaikum.